There are several ways you can earn money from farming on small land. Sell produce directly to consumers. One way to earn money is to sell your produce directly to consumers through farmers markets, roadside stands, or a community supported agriculture (CSA) program. Rent out your land. If you have land that is not being used, you can consider renting it out to other farmers. Sell value added products. Another option is to create value added products from your produce, such as jams, pickles, or baked goods, and sell them at farmers markets or online. Sell to restaurants or grocery stores. You can also sell your produce to restaurants or grocery stores in your area. Grow specialty crops. Specialty crops, such as heirloom vegetables or exotic herbs, can be more lucrative than traditional crops because they are in high demand and may fetch a higher price. Offer farm-related services. In addition to growing produce, you can also offer farm-related services, such as farming workshops or educational tours of your farm. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.